What's up, guys? I'm out here with the rig with another install video. I got the Midland X-Clamps, which I'm going to use to move my antenna from the front of the bumper up to the roof. Finally got a good mounting solution for it up there. It's kind of crammed, so it ends up fitting perfectly. I just kind of test fitted it to make sure, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the little install video and like their products, because this one's pretty cool. It's a 1.25 to 2 inch, and then they have a bigger one that mounts over larger surface areas. But it's great for, like, say if you wanted something on your bar right here, and you didn't have the mounting points like I did right here. Basically what the clamp does is it just has a X right here and then an X right here, and they just lock together and then give you a nice little mounting point right there. But yeah, you'll get to see soon enough what it actually looks like. All right, first things first, what's in the box? So it's a Rugged Ridge X-Clamp. Got it from Midland. It's pretty cool. Comes with all the hardwares and all the tools that you need to get the job done. You got the extra bolts here for your different size surface that you're mounting it on. The longer ones obviously for the longer surface, the shorter ones for the shorter. And then, yeah, another little wrench. Yeah, it's pretty nice. They give you everything you need to get it installed yourself. Don't have to pick up any extra tools. And I got the puppy here with me. Hey, puppy. So first step I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this on first before I mount it. Pretty dang simple. Just slides in right there. And just thread on that little Allen bolt right there. Make sure it's all nice and snug. I'm gonna tighten it up once I'm not holding the camera. That's what the antenna is gonna mount onto. All right, so to mount this sucker where I wanted to mount it, got a little tricky. Sorry. Ended up having to use 2 short bolts on the top and then 2 of the middle length bolts on the bottom. You can see if I flip it around right here. There's my long bolts on the bottom, and there's my short bolts on the top. Just for how I want the antenna to stick up and stuff. That's just how it's going to end up working out perfect. So it was a bit hard to film while I was doing that, but basically I just lined them all up. I started with the top, got the bottoms threaded on a little bit, and then cross threaded them from there, just like you're tightening up a tire. Basically tighten this one down here, tighten this one up here, tighten this one down here, tighten that one up there, or however way you want to do that. Alright, so my dad caught that I mounted it on the wrong side of my truck. Had to put it up on this end because my rooftop tent opens up that way. Otherwise it would have opened up onto my rooftop tent. But look at that, got it all mounted up now, tightened up. I just need to tighten these little bolts in here, or nuts, and I'll be good to go. Start running wires. Alright, I just got it all wired up, and looking pretty good. Like how it came out. Check it out. So here's my 6 dB antenna right here, mounted on to the X mount. Yeah, should be freaking nice. Should be getting some better reception up there with my antenna. So I hope you enjoyed that install video. Sorry I wasn't able to get a little bit more footage, but it was a little bit tricky with working with the tools and working with the camera. I'll get the GoPro next time. on my head to get some better angles. But I'm really enjoying that location so far. I'm getting way better reception. I get 2 more weather channels at my house that I wasn't getting before, and they're also just coming in way more clear. But overall, pretty happy with the install and the new location and the product.